Good morning, everybody. This is Lorraine Alternative Homesteading. It's very early. Well, it's not early for a lot of people, but it's early for me. It's just a little bit past 7:30 in the morning. And the criminals put me to sleep with radio frequencies last night. I went to lie down to read a book. The book was never picked up. I was totally knocked out for hours until I received a phone call from a fellow subscriber. We chatted for a while. And then I went to read the book again, and they knocked me out, these criminals. But that means that I got up earlier today. Let's go say hi to Tina, who's now a boy. He's now a rooster. You want to say hello? You gonna attack me? Huh? You gonna attack me? Yeah? Just say good morning. Say good morning. Do you like my hairdo? Look at that hair. Right? So anyway, I want to give a shout out to the person that responded under the neighbor exploding things on the property video. Hey, if you have nothing nice to say, don't say it at all. You told me to go back to New York. I'm going to tell you that I'm looking very forward to getting some people of color to come and move down here, because it is quite pretty. You can see, of course, the criminals distorted my camera settings and stuff. But, as you can see from the Neighborhood Wars video, somebody mentioned that my neighbors are like something out of the movie Deliverance. Well, a lot of the people around here are like that. They're low class. In New Jersey, we call them white trash. White trash, no class. White trash, no class. See that, folks? They always rev up their engines when they drive by my house. And here comes another one. This is the burgundy new car. So far this morning, since I walked out of the house, that is the 8th car. 8. In this remote rural community. And since these people don't work, I don't know where they're going, folks. Some of them are just performing U-turns and driving back in the opposite direction. But I hope everybody's doing okay. I will post more later today. I've got a lot going on the property. I've got to cut the grass and all kinds of stuff here. But I just wanted to say a shout out to the hater out there that told me to go back to New York. That what my neighbor is doing is normal. If that's normal, they need to fast forward to the new world order. Because I'm telling you, even though Kentucky passed their, that the federal government can't take their little pew-pew weapons, I guarantee some of them are going to be taken in the future. Nobody should be firing off explosives at night, disturbing the environment and the animals. I know that it's partially intimidation tactics, and you think it's normal. It's not normal. Oh, and by the way, I give you 24 hours to live in New York City and see how you survive. I've survived here for 4 years from New Jersey. I lived in New York City. And you know the song about if you could make it there, you could make it anywhere. I challenge you to go to New York City for 24 hours without your pew-pews and see how long you last. This is Lorraine Alternative Homesteading. I'm a little feisty this morning. Signing off for now.